I'm back, and today we're going to be unpackaging and giving you a quick review of another case for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. This is the AIORIA mobile phone case, which is in Mockodile. Yes, it's been a while since we've had a Mockodile case on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. It's good to see that Mockodile is not in fact extinct, and you can still buy Mockodile on AliExpress as well as Amazon. And as usual, I'll be linking to this AIORIA case where you can purchase it on AliExpress in the description to this video. So I've just used the jerry-rig everything knife to cut the plastic bag that's on the outside. Let's take the styrofoam out of the case. And as you can see, it's very similar to the other AIORIA case we recently unboxed and reviewed on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. It has a hardish back on the inside with a softer silicone bumper at the sides and at the top and the bottom. And the material itself is pleather, it's plastic leather, embossed to look and feel like Crocodile, or as I like to call this material, Mockodile. So let's put our Surasani Google Pixel 6 Pro into the case. It snaps in snugly and it feels really nice. It's cool, as you would have leather or pleather. It feels like pleather, but it's got some texture, so it's not very slippy. And there are a few things we need to check with cases. First of all, the cutout. So you've got a cutout for the microphone at the top of the phone. At the left-hand side, there is nothing to talk of. At the bottom, you have perfectly good cutouts for the speakers and USB Type-C port. On the right-hand side, you have the power button, volume buttons. We'll check those in a moment. And there is also a couple of holes here for a lanyard loop. So you can use this case with a lanyard if you wish to. And that's pretty much it in terms of cutouts. At the back, we have the camera module. The edges are protected in this case, and the cutout fits perfectly well. It does give you around about a millimeter of coverage from putting the phone down on a flat surface. I recommend against this, but it does actually do a decent job. So as with other AIORIA cases we've seen from AliExpress, this is a pretty decent one for the price. Right then, let us check the buttons. So on-off button, no stickiness, it works fine. Let's go into the phone itself and check the volume button. So volume up works fine, there's no stickiness. Volume down works fine as well, no stickiness there. And so I would say there's nothing to block you using gestures from the bottom of the screen on your smartphone, so that it works as expected. Same from the top, with gesture navigation, no issues whatsoever. So I'm happy with this case. As with the other AIORIA case we covered for the Tech Travel Geeks, this one doesn't give you great side protection or give you much of a lift if you were to put it flat down on a surface. So not great for that, but if you're looking for a slimline case that doesn't add a lot of bulk to your smartphone, that feels good to hold and potentially is a good protection for the sides of the phone apart from the curved edges, I think this is a case we can recommend here at Tech Travel Geeks. So check out the link in the description if you'd like to see where you can purchase this on AliExpress. If you were to purchase from there, you'd be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks because it's an affiliate link. And also link to the other AIORIA case we reviewed for Tech Travel Geeks for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Anyway, I'll wrap up this video. If you made it this far, thank you for watching well into the 4th minute of the video. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And if you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment in the section below. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.